Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit going over our trade line we have for CPN numbers. This trade line here goes for $285. It gives a blank CPN a score of about 700 to 706. We've been doing this trade line for over a year now. We have 10 spots available every month. It's $285, and the breakdown is it's about a year old. Limit's $300, but because it's a year old, this gives a great score. But again, because here's authorized user revolving, there's $285 a post every 10 to 12 days. Again, we have 10 to 12 of these every month. Great for CPN numbers. Doesn't work so well on a social unless it's a blank social, but it was really designed for CPN numbers for renters. For individuals that want to rent a house or apartment, it works excellent, works well. It also can be a starter program to start your profile. You can add maybe a self-dotting to it or credit strong, but it's a good foundation score to get started building as well. But we use it primarily for our clients to want to rent apartments or houses. We have had a few clients get a car, a low limit car, 10 to 15,000, but I don't suggest it. I suggest a stronger trade line, but sometimes they lucked up and got it. For more information about this trade line, again, it's $285. For brokers, if you order more than 5 in a given month, it drops down to $250. But it's $285. Again, gives a great score. Call us. My name's Cameron, 202-213-2218. Also, we have other trade lines as well, over 300 trade lines. You can subscribe to our bi-weekly list at tradelines.biz. That's tradelines with the S.biz. We also do free consulting on the trade line to see which one might be best for your profile. Again, we do trade lines on Social Security profiles and CPN profiles. So give us a call or subscribe to our website. Our website, by the way, is cpn70.com, or the list, subscribe to our list, is tradelines.biz. Thank you.